People will think Musamseleku's wives, Macele, Mayeni, Makumalo, and Mangwabe, they got married to Musamseleku because of money. Those wives, they dated Musamseleku. He doesn't have any business, but he have got a job, especially Mayeni. Mayeni and Musamseleku, they started dating at high school. Musamseleku doesn't have a job. Musamseleku meet Macele. At that time, he have got a job, but Musamseleku doesn't have any car. Musamseleku got married to Masaule, and he got married to Mangwabe and Makumalo. Musamseleku, when he meets Makumalo, Makumalo is the reason why Musamseleku have got the businesses, because Makumalo is very intelligent. The woman who got married to Musamseleku because of money is Makwela, because the distance is too far between Makwela and Musamseleku. Musamseleku is in 50s, Makwela is in 20s, so there is a difference of age. People, we can say Musamseleku got married to Makumalo. Makumalo, she is younger than Musamseleku, like Macele and Mayeni. They are explaining that Musamseleku took advantage of Makumalo because she was young. Makumalo agree with Musamseleku because she was in love with Musamseleku. At that time, Musamseleku doesn't have anything. He have got a job. You know that it's difficult to get married to many wives. Guys, a salary doesn't, you can't go far or to take care of your wives and your kids. Musamseleku at that time, he have got about five wives and the kids, imagine, with one salary. So it was not enough. That's why Musamseleku can continue to find a woman who can help him to build his business. Makumalo was the reason why Musamseleku is successful. People, we don't believe, we think that those wives, they meet Musamseleku, he have got already those cars. Guys, we started watching Utando Nestembo season 1 on 2017. Musamseleku and Makumalo, they started staying together on 2008. So it's years, but on Utando Nestembo season 1, they have got already successful because they are managing those businesses. Musamseleku to have polygamy was his own thing. People, we can think that to have polygamy, you can have a lot of money. When you don't have a lot of money, you can't have polygamy. No. Musamseleku knows that he wants to marry many wives, but he doesn't have money. He knows that one of his wives or two of his wives, they have to work together and become rich, because Musamseleku, he doesn't have anything. Guys, salary was not enough to him. Look at Macele's house in Muzumbe. Macele was the first wife who started staying in Muzumbe with Musamseleku. Guys, at that time, Musamseleku built Macele's house. He doesn't have a lot of money. Even you can see that house is not like other women or other houses like Mayeni, Makumalo, because Makumalo, Mayeni, and Mangwabe, when their houses are building, Musamseleku and Makumalo, they are running the business. Macele's house, it looks like that house. You can't build a double store house when you are earning a salary. It is not enough. At other side, he had a support, because even Mayeni was not staying with Musamseleku, but Musamseleku was supporting a child. Guys, Musamseleku have got kids outside, because at that time Mayeni want money at end of the month. We understand. Even he was working at government, but it's not enough. Mayeni want is money from Mpumelelo. And Snare at other side, because Snare was not staying with Macele or Musamseleku. Snare was staying at her mother's place. Snare want money at other side for child support. At other side is Mpilo. Imagine, guys, it's Mpilo want money again. Pilo's mom was calling for child support. Mayeni was calling for child support. Snare's mom was calling for child support. Three women who were calling Musamseleku, they want a support. Imagine, salary was not enough to Musamseleku at that time. Macele want money again. 4 wives, they want money to Musamseleku. So Musamseleku find the solution, find a woman who can help him. It's Makhumalo, because he knows that when they started making millions, yes, million is a lot of money. You can support your kids enough.